VW T4. The tank under all cars, like these cars are indestructible. Yes. If you're an owner of these, of a T4, I'm sure you know what it smells like in here. They all smell the same. Show you what it was doing when I started. I'll open the door just so you can hear it better. What the car is doing, why we think the starter is busted. So it wasn't supposed to start. But I'm guessing you could hear the starter sometimes grabs and sometimes it doesn't, and what we think the issue is, I will show you. Let's try it again. My father-in-law is gonna be like, what? So do I fix it now or not? I love these projects. So it starts every time now. I'm guessing, well, we were sure that the cold was playing a part, that the solenoid was giving it issues, because in the video, I don't know if the camera can hear it now, but when editing I'll know. At the back, it's like turning if you put power to one of these directly, then it turns so fast because it has no resistance. I'm guessing that's why it sounds like. Let's try it again. Ask my dad what he wants to do then. Maybe we can hear this better now. Like, I'll try to put it outside, maybe you can hear it better then. Now it starts. Maybe we don't have a problem without it. Dad's coming home in a couple minutes from work, so let's see what he says. So we're gonna replace it regardless, because like when you started, it started, but you can hear the high-pitched noise still. So we're still middle of winter, beginning of Jan. There can still be cold days. It's gonna be unwise not to swap it now because we have the new part, and then I leave here and then maybe tomorrow it won't start again. Well, when you climb under the car, on the right side more, here's the starter. If you look at the car, driver's side's on this side, and it's like right under the driver. You got this bolt here, this bolt, and then one on the other side of this guy over there. So it's trocken. Yeah, so this is completely dry, and this is making that noise. Because that one's telling this to go out, ne? Der sagt denen, dass der rausgehen soll, oder?
Und hier ist eine Gabel drin.
Ja.
Die Gabel, die schiebt, dieser zieht nach hinten und die Gabel, die schiebt dem raus.
Okay.
Und wenn die zu trocken werden, kann auch sein, dass die Gabel da kaputt ist.
Yeah, so this has like a fork in here, which pushes it out and in. And if this one doesn't work properly, then it won't go in or out, and then it's just spinning, hitting like, if it's spinning here like this, being in like that, it's gonna spin very high noise, like overspin, and when it comes out, it has resistance, right? So we're gonna put in the new one. This one turns a lot better. So it's just these three bolts, which is straightforward, and then this one up here for the grounding and stuff. That's it. This. I'm gonna put the bottom one in just to hold it in position. Okay, because on the top one there, on the top bolt, there's a bracket coming through where this bolt goes through a bracket and then into the mounting spot. Same as in the bottom one here. Just so you know, so I'm gonna try figuring that one out. I might have to go do it from the top. I probably will. 1 second. I'm gonna put on this one too, so that way I know the top one is gonna be right on the perfect spot, because I can barely see it up there. That way I know it's in its tight, fixed position. Let's give it a go. There you have it. No noise, no nothing. Now it's safe for the winter to come. The winter's coming.